So I've actually sold Google, Nvidia, and Microsoft. They were some of my biggest holdings. Is it time now? Are we at that stage of the market where we want to sell everything and cash out? Well, in fact, I've actually been purchasing something else since I've been selling these stocks since last month. What I've been purchasing, I'll run through why I've been purchasing that particular stock as well. Okay. And I'm actually kind of glad that I've sold out of some of these positions because, for instance, on Google, that was my biggest position earlier. I actually started buying that at 150. So as you can see, up until recently it was at around 330, and today's gone down just below 300. However, that's 100% return since I've been buying it. Okay, Google's a brilliant business. I've not been selling these companies because I've thought the bad businesses or anything like that. I feel like Google has reached its real valuation. So what I've been doing instead is buying something that is undervalued still right now. I believe that's one of the best stocks to buy. And the market's actually liking it, you can see, because the whole market has been going down since Monday. Okay, even today we were down 2% almost, and yesterday and the day before. However, this particular stock's been holding up well, which is Adobe. Okay, so I've been buying Adobe since the start of last month, since as I've been selling Google, and I dollar cost averaging. So I don't do just trading. Okay, I look at the businesses, I see how they're growing, and Adobe, I'll run through it with you exactly with the chart now. So as you can see off the charts as well, whilst the other stocks were shooting up in the air, okay, they were doing brilliant as well. However, Adobe, since pretty much middle of the year, okay, since June, it's just been coming down. Even prior to that, they've been coming down. And the thing is, when you look at the earnings, okay, the stock's been dropping and they've actually been smashing the earnings. Okay, so even recently was a triple beat. Okay, so the business is still growing. In fact, their AI tools being used, okay, rather than them being taken over by AI. I'm going to run through a full video of the earnings of Adobe, okay? But I wanted to run through and just show you guys, it's just insane. As the business is growing, the business is doing well, and they've just been coming down. Where Google, Microsoft, obviously they are still smashing it. However, I believe they can't reach the numbers where the valuations are at right now. So that is the reason my target for this stock, £600 for, sorry, $600. I'm used to saying pounds a lot. So $600 going into next year. Okay, the numbers very clearly show that this is, again, like I said, I keep averaging into it, although it is going up. It's very clear the market's liking this right now. I am a qualified financial advisor. However, I just want to make it very clear this isn't financial advice for any individual. This is just something what I've been personally doing. I hope my video has been helpful and you've enjoyed my content. If you have, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe. Bye bye for now.